I got this big piece of acrylic from my friend Paul Jackman.
Hashtag name drop.
Hashtag humble brag.
And I have plans to make a guitar from it, but this was just the prototype for that guitar, just to experiment with working with the material, which is why I didn't film the build of this. The glass was from a TV set, and it was used as bulletproof glass, and so I thought it'd be fitting to put some bullet type decoration on it. I had a buddy of mine with a shotgun give me some empty shells. So that's all this was. Stay tuned for the future big build I'm going to do with this acrylic. I'm going to try to do something a little unique that I don't think has been done before. Probably has, because it's 2019 and everything's been done, but anyways, you'll get to see it here. Thanks a lot. Please like, share, and subscribe, and go unsubscribe from Paul Jackman while you're at it. Be good.